Send document checklists to all your clients at once. When tax season opens, you need documents from every client at the same time. Sending individual requests one by one is slow, inconsistent, and easy to lose track of. Bulk sending with document checklists lets you kick off intake for your entire client base in one go. The key to bulk sending is preparation. Each client needs their own checklist ready before you send. Build each checklist manually or use AI generation from a prior year return. Now go to your accounts list, filter for clients with checklists created, and select them all. Choose to send an organizer. Make sure your organizer template has the document checklist option enabled, select the template, and send. Every client on that list receives their own intake package, the same organizer structure, but a checklist tailored specifically to them. If you find that some clients received an organizer, but their checklist was empty, you can catch and fix that without resending. Filter your organizer's view for empty checklists, open the editor for each one, and add the missing items. The checklist appears for the client as soon as you save. No need to send anything again. From the client's side, the experience is the same whether you sent to one person or 100. They get a notification, open the organizer from their portal or mobile app, and see a clear intake package, an introduction, any questionnaire questions you included, and their personalized document checklist. They upload their files, then they flag anything they can't provide right away, or match manually anything that wasn't matched automatically. When they submit an organizer, you will receive a notification.